Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create invoice from PayPal. PayPal is one of the famous payment gateway around the world. People also can transfer funds to other country people using this gateway. Most of the freelancer get payment via PayPal. Sometimes service provider needs the invoice to send the payment. PayPal provides the option to generate the invoice and send it to the payment request. Let's learn how you can create the invoice from PayPal. Open your PayPal account, then go to settings. You have to click on the gear icon. Then you have to click on the seller tools link. Here you have to choose the invoice and click on the manage link. In this page, you can manage your all invoice template. You can create a new template or you can use the existing template. So first you need to create a template. Click on the create a new template button. The invoice template will be open. You have to add your logo. So I have added the logo and also I have added the my business information. Then you can select the frequency as only once or everyone you can send the invoice to your seller. I choose once only. You can choose the due date as you would like to receive the payment for the due. Here you have to add the customer email address, what you would like to receive the payment from. I have added my customer email. Here you have added the purpose of the invoice. I have added the advertisement banner and the how many quantity you can generate this invoice. So then you have to add the amount, the price you have to add here, $12. If you would like to add the more description, you can add here. I would like to add only once, so I remove the next. If you would like to provide the discount, you can add here. It's a 5% of discount. In the note to recipient section, you can add any commands as you would like to send for your recipient. And the terms and condition, you can add the special terms and condition if you have. You can also attach the file. Once everything completed, you can click the preview. Your PayPal invoice will be like this. So click on the edit. Now I would like to save the template. This will be listed in your template section. After created the template, you have to go to manage invoice. Here you have to click on the create invoice. This will be open the new invoice. You have to choose the template what you need. So I'm choosing the advertisement banner. You can check it out everything. You have to double check with your recipient email ID. It will be created the automatic invoice number, the amount, everything automatically set. If you would like to change, you can change to 15. You can change it to anything here. 10% of discount. After set everything, you can click on the send via PayPal or share link by myself. If you choose the share link myself option, it will be downloaded as a PDF file. You can manually send to by email. If you would like to directly send via PayPal, you have to click on the send via PayPal. Well, now your invoice sent to your recipient. In this section, you can also manage everything in your invoice template. You can add the address book or add the tax information. If you would like to add the VAT tax, you can add here. If you would like to manage the template, you can click on the template. Here all of the template will be displayed. You can manage all of this template here. All of these features is really helpful to make a best invoice from your PayPal account. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.